Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set the PIN for your Citibank credit card. When you receive your new Citi commercial card, the first step is activating it and setting a custom PIN. So to activate, you need to follow the instruction on the activation sticker, either by calling the toll-free number. You can find the number out here or here. Right? So just go to their online website and the support page, and you will find the number. So, and or visit the website and follow the steps I'll be showing you. All right. So either enter your card's 16-digit account number first and expiration date and three-digit security code. You'll also be prompted to enter a personal reference number based on your employer's instructions. And now you will be asked to set a custom 4-digit personal identification number, which is the PIN number. This PIN is unique to your card and will be used for chip and PIN transactions. Pick a secure PIN and make sure it's something you can remember but hard for others to guess. Alright, so you should never disclose your PIN to anyone. Make sure it's set up one. So if the card replaces an old one, make sure to destroy the previous card by cutting it in half. After setting a PIN, when you make a transaction at any chip activated terminal, just like this, you may need to enter your PIN more than once during the first transaction, but it will be activated. So if you ever forget your PIN, just go to Citibank's website and just call them and say that you have forgotten your PIN. They will ask for a verification and give you a link to reset the PIN. And that's it. Your Citi commercial card is now ready to use with your new PIN.